This is Avishai's 9th birthday breakfast, and he's now commencing the great Sourball warhead attempt.
Compliments and Popsy's candy
For 40 seconds.
Oh, okay. On your marks, get set, go.
Go.
5 seconds. 10 seconds. Is it really that bad? 15. Yeah, can you see his face?
Is he shrinking?
Don't
20 seconds.
Don't ruin your birthday. What if your tongue falls off? What if you can't eat your cake?
25 seconds.
Keep going on. You got 15 more.
30. 10 more. 10 more.
You can do it, Avi. You can do it. Oh,
5.
his ears are blowing smoke.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's going for more. Now it's been 45 seconds.
Wow. You got past the worst part.
You did it.
You got past the
R,
worst
R,
part.
R, R.
Avishai, I don't think you're high enough to spit that thing out. You're almost up to 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's not in pain anymore.
It's been a minute.
You passed
Woo!
it.
Happy
Lose
birthday
it.
to you, Avi. Happy